Good day to you. Today we're providing you with an update on our DeWALT saga. If you remember, our DeWALT power station, DCB 1800, and our four 12 amp hour batteries went up in smoke. Not literally, but they failed. Check out the other video if you'd like to learn more. We're cataloging how the return process goes with DeWALT, as well as how the repair goes or replacement with a major failure of over $1,000 worth of equipment. We reached out on October 24th explaining our issue with our DeWALT 12 amp hour batteries. 4 of them went down with our DeWALT power station. They reached back out to us and they said they're going to send a return kit, which we did get in the mail. October 24th is when we reached out to them, and we received this return kit on November the 8th. So we're going to open this return kit, see what's in there, and then package up our batteries and our power station, send it back to them, and we'll provide you with an update. So let's get into this box. Huge box, but not very heavy. I'm just curious what they got in here. Got some packing material. We got a packing slip. This is battery return kit. Of course, our name. Battery return kit, and that's it. And who they're sending it to: from Black & Decker, 4041 Pleasant Road, Fort Mill. Okay, get rid of this. Okay, so here's our kit with multiple parts. Battery return kit 1. What is in here? Tear here. Hey, now. Well, that's it for that. Looks like we have the little thing, protector for shipping high voltage batteries. Needs to be protected. This came with the original kit. If you've bought a FLEXVOLT battery, you probably remember these were snapped on the top. Okay, I read over these instructions, and basically the instructions are saying don't send back a battery that is damaged, heat damaged, or leaking. We don't want it to cause a problem or cause a fire during transport. They sent me 2 battery return kits. Unfortunately, we have 4 batteries to return, so I'm going to reach back out to DeWALT, say, what do you want me to do about that? Are you going to send me 2 more return kits, or am I supposed to put 2 batteries in each of these? I think I might be able to fit 2 batteries in this box. And I believe I kept all my original protection devices, so I might be able to make it work. Anyway, we'll reach out to DeWALT and we'll get back to you. Yeah, so we reached out to DeWALT. I said, you sent me 2 battery kits, but we have 4 batteries. What should we do? And they said, well, we can send you 2 more battery kits. It'll take another couple weeks. I said, I have the original boxes and battery protectors. I can use those. They said, why don't you do that? Put all that original equipment in one box, put the label on it, put the battery warning labels on that box, and ship it back to us. Everything in one box. So you can see Carol and I here, we're just boxing it up. From one of our solar jobs, I did have some of those packages that absorb moisture. So I stuck some of those in the box, and we put some packing material that we had in the box, sealed it up, and then now we're going to ship it off to DeWALT. Alright, so we just dropped off our package at the UPS store. Super easy. I was a little bit worried because it's quite heavy. We had the power station in there plus the 4 12 amp hour batteries. I was wondering how much that was going to weigh. Got the receipt here. That weighed 37 pounds 12 ounces. And they're going to be shipping it UPS ground. I just went into the UPS store. Gentleman said, "Are you dropping this off?" I said, "Yes." He said, "Just set it right here." I put it down. He weighed it, beep, scanned it, and that was it. So that part was super easy. So far it's been easy. It does take some time. Obviously, it's not like you can just go to a DeWALT store and trade it in. But so far the process has been pretty smooth. Unfortunately, we're without the tool and the battery for as long as this process takes. But if they stand behind their tools, maybe we'll get it fixed or replaced. So we'll keep you posted. Good day and welcome back. This is update number 3. Today is Friday, December 12th. And we received what appears to be a new DeWALT power station. Doesn't look like they refurbished the one that we sent. And we also got this box, which I'm assuming is from the DeWALT shipping department. And I'm thinking that might be our batteries, so we're going to check that out. Those might be refurbished, or maybe they were able to fix ours, which was fine. I would be happy if they sent our ones that we had back. But this appears to be a new unit, so let's get these open and see what they sent. Alright, let's see what's in this box. Again, we are happy if they are able to repair this equipment. Didn't really need or want new stuff. Just give me back what I had. If you could get it working. Not sure what happened to that unit. But this, well, we'll reserve judgment until we open it. But boy, that sure feels new. And what do we have in here? This is brand new, DCB 1800. Now if this was a refurb, it would say refurb somewhere on here. Oftentimes they just stamp it or burn it into the side. This is brand new. Let's not eat that though, bud. Hey, thank you for helping. Thank you for helping. Wow. So I sent the brand new DCB 1800. Even smells brand new. All right. Thank you, DeWALT. We appreciate that very much. Next up is this box. Let's see what they sent as far as our 12 amp hour batteries go. Now hopefully they were able to repair these. Okay, so this does look like our batteries that they're returning. And they kept them out of the landfill, and they look like they're holding a charge. Number one, number two, hey, we're thrilled with that. Absolutely thrilled. I didn't want this stuff to go to the landfill if they could fix it. That is awesome. Number 3. Yes. Number 4. No. There it is. So, here's the final test. Let's put these on our new power station. See what they do. I have to go get Carol's blow dryer or something. Something with a decent load to her. There's that first power up. Let's get that blow dryer. Now I have to put a little extension on this because it won't plug in the way the DCB 1800 is. Now this particular blow dryer, we've used it in other tests. It's 1800 watts. That'll push this system right to its limit. Let's see what happens. There's low. When you're running a load that heavy, this is 1800 watts, the internal fan did come on our new power station, but wow, awesome. So that's exciting. We'll do the math. We sent this equipment and these batteries back to DeWALT. They paid for the shipping. I just had to drop it off at the UPS store. They sent it back. They sent me a brand new power station and they refurbed somehow these 4 12 amp hour batteries. So super happy with DeWALT. I'm giving you a thumbs up. I'm giving you 2 thumbs up. Thank you for standing behind your tools. I knew you would. I was hoping. And you did. So thank you so much. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video.